Now let's start with the assignment 4 of our JavaScript. To do that, let's start with launching VS Code. Now we open our folder where our assignments are stored. So yeah, this is our folder. Let's start with executing one by one. So it's about the former equipment by changing the values in the data. So let's see whether any errors are occurring. Well, there are no errors. It's a good to go. Now let's start with the execution. Yeah, well, it displays if we give 5,000 and 9 months as our input, it will be it says as perfect first ball form. And if we give the crops, they are suitable to that. Or if we change the icon, then it will display this as can be in the general task of the form. So if we give as 10 months, this is the message we will get. So the program is executing correctly. Let's move with the another chapter. And next is our project. Let's start with executing this. Well, here, as we can see, let's check with errors. Well, there are no errors, so it's about the moving cost. So if we give some weight and no miles distance coverage, it will give as a prompt positive mileage. So let's give, and this is our output by taking 20 lbs as the weight and 43 distance covering, and this is our total cost. If we add any setup and installation, it will be total cost of this, and there are no errors, so it's good to go. And let's start with executing our second project. And this is about the random code generation. Let's see any errors are there. Well, there are no errors. It's the project about generating random codes. When we refresh the page, and this is our output. There are no errors. It's a good to go. Mm. So let's check with errors first. Well, there are no errors, and the project is about the review. If the review exceeds the 1,000, and it will generate the output as it exceeded the limit. So let's check with that. So, it says that you have exceeded the limit. If you give below 1,000, it will take the input. But if you exceed the 1,000, and it will prompt like you have exceeded the limit. This is our project 3. And let's check with project 4. And this project, let's check with the errors first. Well, there are no errors. It's a good to go. And here it's about the bill, and the keyword need to coverage the bill. If it doesn't cover, and it will give prompt as cash doesn't cover the bill. And if we give the valid details, and it will return the change out of the bill coverage, and we will receive the change of $1,000 here, and we will get $20 bills 50. Same as this. Let's give, and we have to get the 11 cents. So 1 dime and 1 penny will be the output. And let's check with our fifth project. And this is about the conversion to degree to radians and radians to degree. So let's check with errors. Well, there are no errors, good to go. And let's change the degrees. As we can see, it is changing in radians. And same as by radians, we can see it's changing. So this is our project 5. And thank you.